Welcome back, you guys. We're going to do a midweek grocery haul. I'm going to explain how beneficial these items are for your overall health. Okay, so we're going to get coconut oil first, which is great to lower inflammation. Inflammation is the breeding ground for disease. So we want to get an oil that is going to be both nutritious and have a high smoke point, which that's what coconut oil provides. Sometimes I switch it out and I'll get sunflower oil because coconut oil has a coconut taste to it. So some of the dishes, if I don't want that coconut taste, I'll get the sunflower oil. Which here at Trader Joe's is more affordable. That's one of the reasons why I come out here. You'll get some coconut oil for $5. If you go to Whole Foods, it's a bit more pricey. Okay, Nonstick Spray, definitely need this for eggs, and it has 0 calories. So when I am really rigid about my fats and I don't want the extra calories from the coconut oil, even though it is beneficial, I go out for coconut oil spray. Or honestly, at this point now, I don't really watch my fats. I more so use it so that the eggs doesn't stick to my pan. So now we have the berries. We always opt for organic strawberries and organic blueberries. The reason for this is we want to minimize as much chemicals as possible. So during the processing, whenever you go in for conventional berries, it's not the best because the chemicals are seeping into the fruit itself. So the reason why we're opting for organic, because they have minimal chemicals during the processing, and it's beneficial when it comes to reaching a weight loss goal. Berries are fruits that are high in antioxidants, lowers the inflammation, and lower in calories. So we want to make sure, whenever we get protein for breakfast, eggs is our top choice. Sometimes we'll just do like an oat cake and we don't feel like consuming egg or a power bowl. But for eggs, we're going to go with free-range organic. The optimum choice for eggs would be pasture-raised eggs. But unfortunately, they don't have that here. It's more so just organic, cage-free, free-range, so that's what we're gonna opt for. Up here it says, from grass-fed cows. So our butter we opt for is grass-fed butter. Get some almond butter. Not almond butter, let's get some almond milk. Hola, hola, hola means hello, cha-cha-cha. Unsweetened almond milk instead of cow milk. We stopped drinking cow milk a while ago. There's so many benefits in plant-based milks. Definitely do your research, but one of the benefits in almond milk is that it has calcium. The same amount of calcium you would get in regular milk, you'll get in almond milk, if not more. So, all right, now we have organic ground turkey. We stock up on organic ground turkey. The reason for this, check this out. No antibiotics ever. Be careful when you're buying your meats. The regular meats, yeah, they're a lot cheaper, they're more affordable, but the antibiotics prevent you from, God forbid, if you have to go to the emergency room and you need antibiotics, guess what? Those antibiotics may not work because the meat that you're consuming may have a large amount of the antibiotics. So when you're realizing that the antibiotics aren't working, it could be from the fact that we're consuming antibiotics every single day in our meat. Opt for no antibiotics, no hormones added, free-range organic, all vegetarian fed. That's what we go for. Grab 2 of these. It's easy to get this for Paige. Of course, she's gonna get organic free-range chicken. And guess, look at the price, $3.42 at Trader Joe's. 4 pieces of drums. It's affordable, raised without antibiotics, hormone-free. Again, she's a growing little girl. I want to make sure that she's not taking in any additional hormones. Just keeping it as natural as possible. Thank you. So we're getting Alaskan sockeye, wild caught. The reason you can tell that this is wild caught salmon. Look at the color of the salmon And not only that, it doesn't have much fat. You see the lines in between the fish? It tells you how fatty the salmon is. So the color tells you the type of diet it consumes as well. We want to make sure that we opt for wild caught because we want to minimize, again, the antibiotics that goes into our fish. So that is one of the benefits of consuming wild caught. Organic. Get this. Bell pepper. You know what? As a matter of fact, let's get this one. This is a lot better. We'll get this. I would normally get red potatoes, but because we're making French fries, we're going to use the russet potatoes. But organic red potatoes are just as good, if not even better. She's trying to crawl away from me. Come on, Paige. Gala puts apples. If this doesn't take care of my sweet tooth, I don't know what else does. And baby Paige loves apples. So we definitely have to stock up on the organic apples. So we stock up on organic apples, cucumbers, celery stalk, some of the items that Paige loves. She actually preferred these items over like cakes. Sprouted grain bread. Let's get it. Always see. Out of those. Paige loves her cucumbers. Oh, see? Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. We just did a quick midweek grocery haul and say thank you, boo boo. She's bashful. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.